like a child sent off to war. They don't know what they're fighting for. Some think it's freedom, some think it's faith, but in the end, it's all the same. From a book or from a throne, slaves are made and off they go. Serve their master, spread the word. The hurt will come to those that refuse to serve. Those that refuse to serve. Open minds with different views builds up walls inside of you. You won't accept what you don't understand. No room for growth if there's no demand. This leads to fear, fear leads to hate, justified by your faith. You think you're right and all else is wrong. War is waged and the weak declare themselves strong. But oh, you'd be wrong. Oh, don't you remember, I didn't come to you. You came to me. I didn't judge you, but you sure judged me. And what you stand for is so clear to see. It's like a big house falling down. The ground beneath is weak. Behind the mask, you hide your face with all your lies, all your shame. Cast your judgment anywhere you please. You call it love, I call it your disease. What is right and what is wrong just depends what side you're on. In the end, it's all the same. We each must find our way. Don't you remember, I didn't come to you. You came to me. I didn't judge you, but you sure judged me. And what you stand for is so clear to see. It's like a big house falling down. The ground beneath is weak. I didn't come to you. I didn't come to you. You came to me. You came to me. And I didn't judge you. I didn't judge you. You're the one who judged me. You sure judged me. What you stand for, what you stand for, so clear to see, so clear to see. No need to justify.